pormahan mo malayo na. Sa pinangarap kong lalaki, sa iyo'y walang nakita. Pero noong ikaw makasama, may pag-asa pa pala. Tadhana ang dahilan kung paano tayo nagkakilanlan. Hindi ko inasahan, ika'y maiibigan. Sabi nila hindi raw bagay ang ganda ko sa itsura mo. Hindi lang nila alam, pero bahil ako sa'yo.
You are my baby, you are my life. Time so fast, now you are my wife. You're always there for me through good and bad. Although sometimes I easily get mad. You're the kind of girl every man wants to have. I really can't believe that you are mine. You're the one thing I don't wanna live without. We'll grow old together, there's no doubt.
Baguio ay pinuntahan upang doon ay masaksihan pagmamahalang tunay na pangmatagalan. Matamis kung oo, iyong natamo. Sa pangyayaring ito, mundo nating may nabago. Hindi naging madali at hindi may kukuble. Ating pagsasama ay minsan ding naging saway. Relasyon ay sinubo, nasagad hanggang tuktok. Inakala ang lahat ay magiging alikabok.
For the past years we've been through a lot. We did not give up no matter what. We had ups and downs and yet here we are. With each other's help we will go far. For better or worse we will stand strong. Cause I know with you is where I belong. Don't worry about the other whores. I know I'm handsome but I'm only yours.
Tayo'y muling nakita at nangako sa isa't isa. Walang hanggang pagsasama para sa ating dalawa. Dadalangin sa may kapal para sa iyo, aking mahal. Ating pagmamahalan ay ganyang kagalan. Sa altar ay magsusumpaan, pangako magmamahalan. Mag-aral na kung magluluto, ito'y aking pangako. Dahil panghabang buhay na ito, handa ka na, iro ko.
I will love you till our hair is gray. I'll always stay and won't go away. My love will always remain the same. So don't get jealous with my game. I promise that I won't say